It was said that you cannot judge the character of a person, but I can say now you can do it by looking at the mobile phone. How? If the mobile phone is password protected, okay, you know there is something doubtful. Okay, if the mobile is not password protected but WhatsApp is password protected, you know something is going on. Okay, and if the gallery is password protected, then you can judge some other things. Okay, and if there is a gallery vault, okay, and inside that vault there are many media files, so again you can predict something else. Okay, so by nowadays, by looking at the mobile only, we are able to judge even what kind of person it is. Okay, so that is why this mobile is playing a very important role in economic reforms and changing the scenario and changing the world. You know, some years back in Egypt, a revolution started because of this social media and this mobile app. Okay, even now also, those news and those videos are shown that become viral first in social media. First they become viral in WhatsApp or in Facebook. After that, the news speaks them because it has become viral and it is trending in social media. So this is how the importance of mobile has increased, and it is changing the economic, the financial scenario to a large extent. Okay. So these are the things which are happening in technological field: content marketing, big data, market automation, mobile marketing, and direct marketing, etc. Okay. The future of mobile advertising is extremely bright with the promise of better customer engagement and return on investment. The users would want advertisers to reach them with ease and offer timely and relevant information. Promotions and discounts right on their mobile device. Mobile advertising also enables a deeper level of personalization. Okay, and that is a win-win situation for both the marketers as well as the audience. Many companies have been providing various types of mobile advertising, in-app advertising, mobile app development, mobile site development, mobile VX development services to companies across the globe, and we have a huge rise in the demand for these services. Okay, so that is why I say that the root or this mobile thing, it has a potential to change the economic situation as well as the entire thinking of a country altogether. So that's it from my part. Any questions?
Any questions?
I know you are feeling hungry.
I have a very small question.
My small confidential question to Mr. Hassan. Is your wife's phone password protected?
Sir, it is password protected, but I know the password, sir. It is set by me only.
Yeah, this is the lighter side of the life.
Sir.
I have a very small question. Where do you see mobile technology 5 years from now?
Sir, now the things or the pace with which this mobile technology is going on, we will feel that now mobile has replaced almost 10 accessories in our life. Now people, they are not carrying watches, they are not even carrying torches, they are not even carrying wallets, they are not even carrying anything with them but only one mobile phone. So in near future what we can say is mobile can, if people, when they will go out, instead of carrying anything, they will not even carry their purse or nothing is required, only mobile phone is required. So 5 years down the line, you may not know that there will be app which can even, do your health checkup, or even now some apps are there which calculates your pulse rate. So this every now and then new apps are coming up, and we cannot say exactly what is going to happen 5 years down the line, but we can definitely say that it is going to be like lot more technological thing, or lot more advancement will be there 5 years down the line.
In tour and travel, also you don't have to take a camera.
Yeah.
So
So it has replaced, I was telling people in the class that a mobile phone has replaced at least 10 to 15 accessories which we were using in previous days. Now radio, torch, watch, nothing is there, only one mobile phone.
calculators.
Yes, sir.
So that's the thing what I'm saying. That you don't have to carry your wife, you don't have to carry your baby. You have your mobile phone.
Yes, sir. With video chat, we can interact as if we are interacting face to face.
And that's a very doubtful integrity also.
Sir. So, but certain things cannot be done on mobile phones.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yes, sir.
As we concerned with the economic reforms in India, What will be the share of Indian mobile companies in the
See, as these mobile companies all over India, all over the world, they are seeing India as a very big potential, because even if 10% of the population uses a certain mobile or a certain brand, it becomes like 10 crore or 100 crore. Okay, so India has become a very, I don't have the exact figure of the market, okay, but the thing is that that is the reason why many companies throughout the world, they are targeting India, because it is having a huge potential, and it is you can say that it is an untapped market. Okay, so even that is why Apple iPhone, okay, they are also launching, when they are launching in USA, the next market they are launching is in India, because people have the capability and they have the willingness, everything to do the thing. That is why it is having a very huge market. I don't have the exact figures.
not exact figure. What I want to give importance is that what is the share of Indian companies? Nowadays we can find that 5 years down the line Micromax is working where
Micromax is the Indian company,
but what today I found out, the best 5 companies do not have any Indian mobile. That means again it will be like agriculture. In the down the line 5 years we will again face a problem due to our economic reforms. No Indian company will be.
One of the thing in LPG, that is liberalization and globalization, is internationalism. Okay, so a day will come when that is kind of a thing where national borders will cease to exist. So that is kind of an internationalism which is growing and which is developing. No doubt, our Prime Minister is emphasizing on Make in India, and we should encourage products which are made in India. But the thing is that the quality of Indian products, they are not able to compete with the quality of the foreign products. So
I can contract you, sir, for the introduction here. There's a huge market. There's a huge market because of the population itself is huge. So both in China and India, the demand will always be more for any consumer item you speak of. Let it be carpet, let it be mobile, anything you speak of. That is the reason why some big companies are taking advantage of the situation when your Apple Tim Cook was here about a month back. The rules were amended for him. What are the rules? Can I speak out? Now, the first thing is that he gave a proposal that I want to sell only second-hand sets of Apple, this mobile phones. When he went back, the government turned down. Right? Then he sent a special messenger, which worked out with the government. You know about the solution, how government works out. And he has been given the permission, the first and the only permission to sell second-hand mobile sets of Apple in India. That means there is a dumping part. The used mobile phones will be sold in India. And they have been given a relaxation that if you want to, the condition, that if you want to sell some products here, then you need to set up your manufacturing unit. And 30% of that manufacturing unit procurement should be from indigenous components, right? And they have also been given relaxation for coming 3 years. So that is the market. So looking at the market also, we are garbage of all electronic products. Let me tell you. We are so fascinated with the Apple and some other brand that they can easily dump it here. Microsoft, they can easily dump it here.
So this is a backward integration strategy.
No, not a backward integration. They want to simply. No, Americans, you see, Americans are the largest consumers in the world. They are the largest Americans. They buy all new products, dump the old ones. And the old ones are so huge in numbers, and they don't have the facility for this e-waste to dispose it of. So they are going to dispose it off in India. That's the thing. That's what I'm saying. It's, no integration is there. Only thing is dumping your e-waste products here in India because Indian people do not have the capacity to buy new Apple phones. They do have the capacity to buy old and used ones.